What does that even mean?
You.
We're shopping.
Turtle, turtle.
Are you filming me?
No.
Do you want me to do turtle?
Yeah.
Turtle. You are filming me, aren't you?
No.
Okay. You say you're not.
We need to get the sauce.
What kind of sauce?
The sauce.
What kind of fucking sauce? You keep saying
pasta sauce.
Fine, we'll go down the fucking aisle and we'll get the sauce. Why do you gotta get me worked up?
Come on, let's get your pasta sauce.
Sauce, for a reason.
Maybe we'll see your Viniqua sausages.
That's what they're called, Viniqua sausages. I've seen them. The Q's silent like Django, okay? The hell? I'll ask somebody about Viniqua sausages. You'll see.
Yeah, ask.
I will.
Why don't you ask them where it is? Where you find them at? Which aisle?
Alright, I will. If you want to pick on the way I talk, I will. I'll ask. Tell me what they are. It's fucking Viniqua sausages. Excuse me. Yes. What aisle are your Viniqua sausages on? Our what? Viniqua. Viniqua sauce, you know, little sausages in the can, Viniqua. You mean the Vienna sausages? Is that how you say it? She said the same shit. It's on aisle 3 on the left side. I'll show him too. It says Viniqua. Stupid too. I seen you smiling. You got a phone going. I don't know what's going on. You know?
The Viniquas, right? The Viniquas?
No, the Vienna sausage.
Oh,
God
okay.
damn it, man. So, they're You know what? I don't want to talk to you no more. Why you gotta film shit like that? You filming me?
No.
Because I'm telling you.
I'm still trying to find the Viniqua part. Where's the Viniqua?
You can leave me alone now. I mean, do you have to do this shit to me?
Oh, look. Like I said, right by the sauce. I just wasn't sure.
You know, do you always have to gloat about me and shit and rub it in my face?
Okay, pick out your sauce.
Do they have 4 cheese?
Yeah, they got the 4 cheese.
They grab the 4 cheese. I'll grab 4 cheese.
Grab your 4 cheese.
You know what? You fucking with me about my sauce. Did I say sauce a certain way? Is that the problem?
You want to get some juice while you're at it?
That is how you pronounce things. What is so funny about juice? Like if you ask this guy, hey sir, you want some juice? That's how you say it. Cheese.
Juice.
Yeah, juice.
Juice.
What is the problem? I don't see where I'm... Anything else you'd like me to say that you think I say wrong?
You got Parmesan cheese?
Parmesan.
Huh?
No, we don't have Parmesan.
We don't got the Parmesan?
No, I don't have Parmesan cheese.
Okay, we don't got Parmesan cheese.
You know what? Is everything I say wrong to you? There's some cheeses and stuff. I'm the best backer up in the world right there, baby. How you doing, ma'am? After you.
Thank you.
I got style and class. Thank you. See, she knows.
I think she wants it.
Something's wrong with you. She don't want none of this tea. It ain't happening that way. Excuse me, where's your Parmesan cheese?
It's down the same aisle that the
Son of a bitch,
were.
I know it. See, I told her
Just across from where they're at, actually.
See, did you drive all the way over here for this?
No, I didn't. I was looking right at it. You didn't. I asked you if you needed it.
You know we needed it, so why you gonna...
You ran out already?
Was it this aisle? We don't have any Parmesan.
Down here.
We have sprinkled cheese.
That's... Yeah, the sprinkle cheese.
No. The shredded cheese is what I mean. You want Parmesan for the spaghetti.
Yeah.
Janae, did we pick any up or not?
We didn't buy any.
this aisle, yes?
Yeah.
You know what? You like working me up is what it is. Probably trying to make an ass out of yourself.
Well, you didn't see it?
Still look.
You still looking? Alright, well, don't look too hard.
He said right across. You know, fuck you today. I'm sorry, everybody. What's this say?
What did it say?
Are they the same?